Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to kiss and hug. First, let's master the hug. When approaching someone, offer open arms and a genuine smile. Gently wrap your arms around their shoulders or waist, depending on comfort and height. Hold the embrace for a few comfortable seconds, conveying warmth and connection. Then, release smoothly, maintaining eye contact as you pull away. It's a simple gesture that speaks volumes. Hugs come in many forms, each with its own meaning. A friendly hug is typically brief and light, perfect for acquaintances. For close friends or family, a bear hug offers a firm, full-body embrace, showing deep affection. A casual side hug, with one arm around the shoulder or waist, is great for quick greetings or walking together. Choose the style that best fits your relationship and the moment. Now, let's talk about kissing. Preparation is key for a comfortable experience. Ensure you have fresh breath. A mint can help. Approach with a relaxed demeanor, making gentle eye contact. Lean in slowly, giving the other person time to respond and show their comfort. Pay close attention to their body language. Mutual interest is essential for a truly enjoyable moment. Communication, even nonverbal, is vital. When you kiss, begin with soft, gentle lip contact, allowing the moment to unfold naturally. You can vary the pressure and movement, exploring what feels right for both of you. Remember, a kiss is a shared experience, so responsiveness is important. And speaking of valuable things, if you're looking to improve your financial mindset, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals. It's a resource that could truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.